I'm just stacking little bases. 36 bucks, don't waste it. MNQ switching stops in a rip switch. You blink once when you miss it. We don't chase sides when we pull back. Paper hands cry, I want that back. Small size gang and we stay lit. Just stacking up these base hits. 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 Got banned on X cause the Chuck Norris clips. Didn't know they get me hit with the blitz. Now I'm sitting here like what I do wrong. While the market keeps singing its song. Chat talking about cop deed and trades. Life advice, these were scalping plays. Someone so early, now the regret. Man, I should've held, yeah, we all say that. Long one micro, keep it tight. Trail that stop, protect the night. $5 green and 30 more. We ain't greedy, we've been here before. I'm just stacking little base hits. Small wins, losses, that's it. MQ pick you out, then it dips quick. The reverses, yeah, that's that trick. We don't go big, we survive this.
Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, everybody. We are live. It is Tuesday morning, July 21st, 2026. We're getting into the charts here. Just taking a look at the news real quick here. Looks like we don't really have anything going on today. No serious news. We got Japanese trade balance and core CPI for UK later in the afternoon. We do have Trump at 11 a.m. Trump greets the Lebanese president. That's 11 a.m. And that's about it. We got some German stuff from before market opens there. We got 3M Q2 earnings. So we got a little bit of earnings or something today, but that's about it. Good morning, everybody. So taking a look at the chart here, let's take a look. So here's our 4-hour chart right now. We've been kind of recovering a bit the last little while. As you can see, we've been making higher lows and higher highs. So kind of have to lean bullish at the moment. We do have this naked point of control above here at 29,499, which I could see us kind of trying to get there or close to there today anyways. I kind of would suspect we're going to do one of these guys where we get a bit of a pullback into this bullish. We have a 4-hour bullish fair value gap. And then we also have a 4-hour inverted fair value gap from this candle back here. So we have a couple confluences all lining up here. So if we can pull back and then hold above the value area high level here, which is also the 4-hour fair value gaps, I could definitely see us going continuing bullish to the upside. We have a couple more. We have a unmitigated bullish fair value gap up here also, which could potentially be a target for us. So let's just label this guy up. And this one be orange because it's a bearish one. So we'll leave that as an idea for a potential target also. Let's go down a little bit here on time frames. We've got the 1 hour. So just comparing between NQ and ES at the moment also is what I saw is, let's see here, what time is this? 2340. So we actually have a bullish SMT for NQ. Looks like NQ made a higher high since ES made equal highs. Interesting. So that's a good sign for the bulls. So it's just a matter of where is this pullback out of the gate. We're probably going to get a pullback out of the gate here. Where's this going to stop? I don't know. We'll have to see. Hopefully it doesn't just instantly rip higher. Won't give us a real chance to get in. Hey, Jerry, good morning. How are you doing this morning? I saw the sort of thumbnail that you posted in the Discord. You were talking to Nick about adding an iguana to his thumbnail. Then I put it in the AI app and it worked. Nice. Yeah. Yeah. Almost need a turtle in there too, right? I'll have to download it if he wants to use it, because I usually set up the streams like in the back end of the StreamYard. So that's right. Didn't think of the turtles at the time. You need like a turtle also riding on the back or something, right? It's like a trio, but it kind of, I don't know how you could add a turtle to that. That would be pretty hard, you know? There he is.
What's shaking?
Hey. I saw that new thumbnail there that Jerry Trades put up.
Oh, hell yeah. Beautiful.
Very cool.
No iguana sitting on a horse shoulder. I mean, you can't go wrong with that, right?
Yeah. So you want to use that as your thumbnail then going forward? Because I'll just I'll download it and I'll pop it in there.
I'll leave the thumbnail where it's at. I'm just gonna put that up every time I play the iguana song.
Oh, nice.
Actually, yeah, put it in as a thumbnail.
Yeah. Okay.
Do that for a week or two, and
hey, Blackout News Network, Angia. Good morning. Good morning. I'm sure you can modify it. It was more of an idea, not a final draft. Yeah, that's true. That's true. So I made some new thumbnails now. I kind of streamlined my thumbnails last night because I don't know what's going on with YouTube, but the algorithm does not like me now.
Really? Why?
I'm getting like half the amount of viewers. No new viewers are coming to the channel anymore.
And
and the viewership on the day is cut in half. So where I was getting like 1,000 people coming through the stream, I'm only getting like 450 or 500.
Interesting.
So I'm not sure exactly what happened, but so I did play around with my title and thumbnail, and yeah, I'm gonna see what happens.
I got nothing for you. Sorry.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, it's all good.
I'm gonna set up 100 YouTube accounts and go through them all every morning and set them up to watch you.
Yeah, it's like I've been stalled out at 1,770 subscribers now for over a week. And yeah, no new people coming in. I don't, occasionally the algorithm gets kind of like changed a bit. Like they make changes to it. So I'm not sure if that's possibly what happened. There's a couple ideas that I had as to why it's not liking me now, but we'll have to just give it a little bit of time here anyways. So we have a bullish SMT between NQ and ES. So ES has kind of made a bunch of equal highs, where NQ made a higher high after, I guess it was 23, that was 11, 12, so 2 a.m. ish. ES kind of after 2 a.m. ES only made an equal high, and then NQ made a higher high and a higher low, whereas ES kind of made a lower low. So that's typically going to be a bullish sign for NQ anyways. And I was taking a look at the chart here and some levels, and we had a 4-hour bearish fair value gap from, what day was this here? The Asia session on Thursday, and we inverted that. So we turned it to a inverted fair value gap, and then we also left a 4-hour bullish fair value gap overlapping it. So at the moment I'm kind of hoping for a pullback sort of down to the 29,000 area to find some support and then go higher. We have a naked point of control above at 29,500. So we got a couple targets above, but you're gonna have to see how this price plays out at the open here.
And that working point of control on NQ is sitting at 29,171 right now. Value area high for Asia session 29,201.
Yeah,
it's been in an uptrend all through Asia and London. So
yeah, if it's going to continue, today's probably one of those days. Maybe we'll see. Never a guarantee.
Can't guarantee anything in this market.
No, especially the way the New York
one tweet can blow out your day or your account.
Blackout News says keywords. Yeah, that's a good point. That's kind of why I did update my title and stuff. So I think that some of the titles that I was using aren't that clear that it's like futures trading. Like when I read it later, I was like, maybe this isn't that clear. as to what we're showing on the channel here. So between hopefully between the thumbnail and
people thinking that you're building time machines over there.
yeah. Did you get into an oil long?
I did earlier.
Okay, so we got a little over two and a bit minutes here to the bell, and we're popping up pretty strong right now on NQ. We do have midnight open price below 29,073.
I'm just stacking little bases. 36 bucks, don't waste it. MNQ switching stops in a rip switch. You blink once, man, you miss it. We don't chase highs, but we pull back. Paper hands cry, I want that back. Small size gang, and we stay lit. Just stacking up these base hits.
Hey, Skeletor, good morning, good morning. I like the skull face as the image there. He's got the Skeletor image as his profile picture now.
Nice. Dig that.
I made him a Skeletor image of the skeleton shark.
Waiting patiently.
Yeah.
I mean, they don't really wait. They have to keep moving, otherwise they suffocate. But
True.
We understand what you're talking about. Second deadliest predator in the ocean.
Yeah. So we got 29,250 above, 145 contracts. Let's look at the actual NQ here. Yeah, 29,250, 77 on the big contracts. Oh, and there we go. The bell is happening here. It's just gonna go straight up here.
It may. Nope. It's gonna chop a little.
Well, we tapped the 250 there, which was where those orders were, and got rejected right off of it. So that's not ideal for. I was hoping that we were going to come out bearish. I mean, which we are at the moment, but I was hoping we were going to not go right to the 250s first.
Oh man, it went like right to the 250.
Yeah, just below it, like maybe like, what is it, 1 point or something? 47, 48 area. Skeletor's watching YM.
So we got the gap from yesterday's close way below us right now.
Mm-hmm. I don't even have my chart on YM. I was taking a look at the gold after, or oil after you, when you said that earlier. I was like, oh, what's going on with oil? Yeah, YM's looking pretty heavy too. Yeah, pushing down. We tapped into this 5-minute bullish fair value gap here from pre-market on the NQ 29,150 area.
I am currently in an NQ long 1 micro. Oh, took $5 on that. I'm glad I had my stop loss in a in an appropriate place.
Yeah, just basically you got in and then it just came back and stopped it instantly. Yeah.
Oh, we got a bunch of orders below us on MNQ right now.
Mm-hmm.
Pretty big sell volume balls.
I was looking at the big contracts, but yeah, the small contracts does have a whole bunch below there. Small scalp on MOM. Green, you're out. Nice job, Skeletor. Showing us how it's done.
Stack it up, don't blow the account. One bad trade and you tapping out. Patience pays, yeah, that's legit. We ain't gamblers, we just hit and quit. NQ crazy, but we adapt quick. Stop, get sweat, get it, that's that script. Stay alive, that's the real win. Then tomorrow we trade again.
Let's see what happens here. It looks like we're getting a little bit of a bounce. If we're going to make it up to the 200, that's kind of going to be sort of the roadblock on today's recovery here. Just a nice round number.
Here we go. Just got above the New York VWAP, pushed through a bearish fair value gap, and it's moving up.
Oh yeah. Oh, come on.
Don't stall out now.
There we go. Boom. All right. 960 in the top one futures, 150K. And then I had an order queued up here on the chart, on the live chart, and that thing never got tagged, unfortunately. So I got no trade there. It's too bad. $100 points in 3 1-minute candles, right? Yeah, exactly.
Yep.
That's what NQ do. You're out 2 longs. You took 2 long trades already, Andrea. Nice. Wow. Or maybe 2 micro long, or I don't know. Now, is that going to be a rejection that's going to turn us bearish here? I don't know. Possibly. Because we basically went all the way to the high of that candle there, 222, the candle body, the high of the pre-market bullish candle. So we should probably try to be patient here, wait this out a bit now that we've kind of did our pullback and bounce. And we didn't get momentum. That micros only, not that crazy. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm doing nothing but 1 micro for NQ.
Yeah.
There's absolutely no reason for me to be putting anything other than a micro on.
Mm-hmm.
So we've had 8 1-minute candles. The first 4 were down. We had 3 up, another one down, and this one's going up. We're currently above New York VWAP in a bullish and bearish fair value gap on the 1-minute chart.
Mm-hmm. So a little conflicting.
Yeah, a little bit. A little bit
on the conflicting side here.
Taking a trade now is just a gamble, so I'm not gambling.
We're trying to be adults here, guys.
Trying. I do fail sometimes, but
just got to do our best. So it looks like we have about 6 people in YouTube and 10 people in X. Where is everybody?
Sleeping. That's my guess.
So we still got those orders up at 29,250 there. There's 373 contracts that got a buyer at 29,238 right before we almost tapped the 250s and then rejected. So we do have a bunch of buy volume balls in the area between 29,240 and 29,205. Now, if those guys get trapped, obviously that's not good.
Yeah,
for the bulls. For the bulls. We're probably going to get a deeper pullback. That's just my kind of thoughts here. I was hoping to see us get back down sort of to like midnight open price near 29,000. Wow, ES is looking pretty heavy. ES is 75.26 was the high of the pre-market candle, and we did pop up to 75.30, and now we're all the way back down below point of control, 75.09. And NQ's kind of looking similar. YM all the way down 52,155. We started with a green 5-minute candle and then went down after that. If this level can't hold, we'll see a big drop. Yeah. Might not be a bad idea to just kind of like watch ES, because they're all pretty bearish at the moment. So watch ES and NQ. Hopefully they'll both make sort of a sign that we're going to either pick a direction. I'm still leaning bullish. I don't know. We're still making higher highs so far, right? And higher lows. So You gonna wait for the hourly candle, Angia? That's pretty smart. Blackout News, you said I should make a commercial for YouTube and throw a little ad spend on it. That's not a bad idea.
Yeah, I have a feeling NQ is going to start pushing down here.
It looks like it, right? So, and then again, so ES only made an equal high on that push up right at the very start, whereas NQ did break out through the top and made a new high.
I'm saying that I'm expecting it to drop down. It's been trading within a range for the past 8 minutes.
Yeah. And we're kind of still stuck in that range since like whatever 2 a.m. or depending on your timeline. Maybe it's like more like 5 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So is that the early? No, this is a 15-minute opening range is set now. Nick, can my timeout be over now? What happened, Tim? Tim needed a timeout?
I didn't put Tim in the timeout. I think he put himself in the timeout. That was not my doing. Don't you go be putting that on me now.
Just asking your advice, Mr. Tim.
I don't know, with this NQ bouncing all over Hell's Half Acre, I'm kind of...
I think it might be a good idea to stay in timeout.
Yep.
Hard to tell what's going to happen here. Buyers and sellers having definitely a battle at the moment. Somebody's gonna come out on top. Looking like the Bears
battle
are
for the
winning.
ages. My NQ short is or my NQ short idea is playing out. I didn't take it, but
didn't get a chance to get in there.
I didn't. I had a chance. I didn't want to.
Gotcha. Just being careful.
Yeah, I was looking at a short at the 135 level underneath that first deviation band. But the way the price was bouncing around, I didn't want to get into it.
Yeah, pretty volatile. Could pop either way at the moment. Three green trades, cannot ask for more. Got to get ready for work. Okay, bro. Good job, Skeletor. You rock. You are the best. He goes, you guys are the best. But really, he's the one that's locked in the green trades and leaving already. So who's the best here? Come on. Come on, Skeletor. But I appreciate it. We appreciate it.
Calling out the moves when he's cool, he's got the groove.
Yeah, I'm definitely building a short bias here.
Yeah.
Or developing a short bias.
That's enough. Top 40 says wrist first, bro. Homeboys got stole the show. Drews and nitrous.
NQ recovered there, but that doesn't necessarily mean that the Bears are over yet, right? Kind of. No. There's a pretty strong doji candle though, so if we can get it back above the VWAP here, maybe we're gonna go higher, which we just broke the VWAP, but looking like orders are below now. So oh, somebody drove by. Frank heard him. Nice, you got that pump, Angia? Nice. Yeah, just try to be conservative here though, just because it's quite the battle at that level. So the sellers could have just let off the gas for a minute here to let it pop up a bit and then put the gas back on. So we did pop up above the VWAP there, and then we're back below it. Nine people in YouTube and 10 people in X. So one of the very few times we got more people in X than we do in YouTube for some reason.
It happens every now and again.
Yeah, once in a while. Gonna hopefully get a candle closure above the VWAP here if we're gonna look bullish. Oh, it just so happens that wick went all the way down to a channel line that I had drawn for some time. It's like, I think it's a diamond pattern. Yeah, we're back in the diamond. Can't seem to hold above the VWAP currently.
Yeah, it's definitely not looking good for longs. Not yet.
Yeah, not yet. They're trying. They're trying. I'll give them that.
Real hard.
They're trying to hold it at the moment, but oh, Frank.
What's going on with Frank? He's angry at the neighbors.
Yeah, he's just on alert mode, letting everybody know, I hear you out there.
I do miss having a dog.
Not very conducive to your current lifestyle, though, hey?
No.
Moving around and in a different country and all. Maybe if you were to buy a place out there, you could think about it, right?
Yeah, but not doing that for a little while, so.
You like the freedom?
I do.
So I'm wondering if we're going to get a double break here, because we kind of already took the low. But we can't seem to get above the VWAP. The 2-minute chart looks pretty bearish. We've been making lower highs and lower lows.
1 minute chart looks bearish. The 2 minute looks bearish. The 5 minute looks bearish.
ES is looking like it's trying to bounce at the moment. Walking on the boulevard. Broken. Hey, Zara, good morning. How are you? We're doing good, thanks, Zara. How are you doing this morning? Did you catch some more bangers last night or what? Zara's always catching the bangers. Good, this choppiness is really exhausting on MNQ. Yeah, we were just saying that. It's like the battle of the buyers and the sellers here was just up, down.
Up, down, up, down, up, down.
It's like two ping pong paddles, like about six inches apart of each other.
Feel like I'm on a teeter-totter with a fat, mean kid.
Oh. NQ or ES did try to get above the VWAP there and kind of pulling back again. Also, so they're starting to look more and more in line with the bearish situation here.
Well, I got my NQ long in, or I'm sorry, my NQ short in at 29,145 with two micros. So
beautiful.
Got my stop loss at 137. So 12 points, no matter what, is what I'm taking on this.
Yeah. That's good. So 18 viewers now. We got 8 in YouTube, 10 in X.
I am actually not going to move my stop loss down.
He's going to try to
leave
let
it
run.
Yeah, I'm going to see if it'll run for a bit. Like I said, no matter what, I'm taking 12 points on this because that's where I got my stop.
Yeah.
Oh, look, now it's going up toward it. So,
Ugh.
but I'm going to try this out. Like I said, no matter what, I'm taking a profit. So, going to let this play out a little bit.
Are they going to make a little bit of money, or are you going to make a little bit more?
A little bit of more. A little bit of more.
A little bit more of money. Oh, the mamma mia, a little bit more of money.
Oh, dear. You don't do that. Hurts my ears when you do that.
Oh, my apologies. Sounds like your crazy cousin or what?
I am pleading the fifth.
It's a me, Mario. Get a little bit of a pop here.
Yep, and it just stopped me out. So I made a whole 30 bucks on that trade.
I'm in an ES long, actually.
Really?
Yep. I don't know why. I just felt like ES was the one to go with at the moment. Hopefully this thing doesn't just turn around and come back down. We got to break the view up here. Looking for kind of like 75, 25 area would be nice for a TP. Maybe like 24.75. I'll take off 5 in my 6 contracts.
Look at
there.
this bounce.
I think I'm going to put my stop below this current candle. Come on, keep going. You're almost there. Just need like 3-4 more points.
Shazam.
Keep going, keep going. Don't pull back here. Oh no. Come on, ES. Don't do this. Don't do that. I still got like about 100 and something locked in. I just really want to see it get up there to that high without stopping me out. Looking like it wants to pull back down, unfortunately. Come on, boys. Let's go. Uh-oh. 1 point away from my stop. Yeah, is it gonna stop me? Oh, gee, almost stopped me. I gave it 3 more ticks and it didn't stop me yet. Don't do it. Come on, buyers. Don't do it. Please.
Yeah, these buyers need to step right in here.
Come on.
Come on, keep going.
We're rooting for you, ES. Get up to those, to the opening range, close to the opening range high. I don't even want opening range high. No. No, no, no. Don't do it. Stopped out. Okay, well, 158 anyways. Well, no, that's not true because I had a little bit of cash in there. So YM is ripping. Oh my gosh. 52, 220 to 280 in this current candle.
Oh, wow.
NQ was the downer there, unfortunately for ES. NQ's like heading back down all the way to 29,100, and that basically made ES turn around on us.
So I got 5 micros in my NQ short, and I'm up about $400.
Wow, nice.
Oh, not anymore. It's pulling back.
Keep going. Wow, Dow's now from 220 up to 320. 100-point ripper in 4 minutes. Yeah, ES is looking pretty good actually since we kind of bottomed out down at 75.07 area. We've been making kind of like pushing some newer highs and keeping higher lows on these 5-minute candles anyways.
And
YM,
NQ is just sinking right now.
yeah, YM ripped up, and then NQ's kind of the downer currently, so hopefully your trade here continues to work out.
I'm hoping. See how this. Oh, there we go.
Keep going, keep going.
Just added another 5 micros on that pullback. So I'm up $800.
They all start. They're all putting red candles now currently. NQ, ES, YM, all making a little bit of a bearish move here. It's looking like, is that London lows, or where is our London session here? Turn on the kill zone.
I made 350 on that one.
Yeah, so London high 29,177, London low 29.88. I don't know if that's what you got.
Yes, it is.
This price cannot be trusted.
We can't trust NQ or ES right now.
Yeah. Below the VWAP here, so technically we should be looking for shorts. We do have orders below 29,075. couple orders came on above 29,212. There we go, making a new low there on NQ.
Yeah, it's going to push up though. It's going to go back up to 29,130 and then come back down. Just so that way, if you get into a short down here, it's going to put you in enough drawdown to make you uncomfortable.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, the volume has been decreasing pretty badly. Orders down at 60 and 50, 70, 60, and 50 here. And then down at 20 also. We do have this bullish fair value gap below, but the middle of that fair value gap is right at 29,000. Plus, we have that inverted fair value gap from a couple days ago. The bearish one turned bullish. Middle of that is right at the value area high, 29,050. Oh, 52, sorry. Nine people in YouTube, 10 people in X. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the channel.
Good morning.
Welcome to two older guys trying to make some money live on YouTube.
Who are those old guys? What the hell are they doing? Well,
What the heck? We're going to get that bounce to the 30s here you're talking about, it looks like.
yep.
Try to cause a little bit of discomfort to anyone who shorted at the lows. That 100 looks like it was a little bit of resistance there. Going to have to get through that first. Kind of holding here at the 90s.
It's looking like it's pulling down a bit. We got resistance at 99. And
right up to the hundreds there.
this
And
is where it comes back down.
Yep.
Or at least it should.
Well, this candle's not over yet, so might still get a little bit.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Sorry, I called that prematurely. Gotta wait for the candle closure.
Just like to that, to the 130s almost, eh? There you go, 130. Tapped it.
Breaks through the 130s. That'll be
The 130s is kind of like the resistance of that consolidation level from pre-market and the open. Kind of looks like it, right?
That's what it looked like to me, but I'm no expert.
I think you're right, because we even have a couple like indecision candles from pre-market that were like have like a really strong doji at that level, was kind of like support, and then we popped up, and then eventually they kind of like had a couple more indecision candles right in that area, and then we went down. So
So you like how I called that one?
yeah, definitely.
So I got my long end at, or I'm sorry, my short end at 29,128.
Nice. All the way back down. Last trade done, got that pump. Angia just grabbing all the pumps here this morning. What patience.
Angie is getting the pumps. I'm getting the rejections.
Yeah. Crazy market. Glad I took every profits. Yeah. Well, that trade's in a nice little position for you there. You bought almost every candle, Angia.
Wow.
So I'm up 115 in my Lucid Flex, 145 in the other. Oh, never mind. I think from yesterday I made 240 in my Lucid 150K eval. Take profit trader up $43. Top one futures up 962 in my. That was a pretty banger trade this morning. 308 in a. I got one of those. So I had one of those top one futures daily, elite daily.
Oh,
I forgot that I had it and it renewed. So then I was like, what? I got a new. So I got, anyway, so I'm up, that account's up 769 total with 300 profit, 308 from yesterday. And then Blue Sky, 158. So I'm pretty much green across the board here. Like I don't even need to take any more trades.
Yeah, I think this is going to be my last trade today.
I could try a little stab at the TPT because it's only up $43. But I won't touch my Flex accounts. Those are both up over $100. That eval's up 240. Yeah. Would like to get a little bit more profit in the TPT. This price, though, look at this thing. Look at now it's going back up to the 30s again. Holy indecision, Batman.
Yep. Going VWAP down to the second deviation band, back up to VWAP. It's not playing nice. And did break through those 130s. Looking at 170 for another short.
Why don't traders play hide and seek?
I don't know why.
Because good trades are nearly impossible to find. Good entries, sorry, not trades. Good entries. Did I say good trades?
You did.
Good entries. That was a terrible joke, Blackout News. You don't like that one? That was terrible.
It was something.
I think he's talking about the chart, but
He's
nice
not.
pump NQ, nice, good girl NQ. And yet loves it when she talks dirty to the NQ. I thought you said you're married, Angia. You can't be talking to NQ like that. What a push, though, hey? Holy guys.
Yep, but now it's coming back down.
Of course. Why did the candlestick break up with the moving average?
Oh, I don't know.
There's just too much emotional resistance. No, the market is terrible. Joke was terrible too, but I still love you. Okay, thanks, bro. I appreciate
I mean,
that.
we're not going to hold it against you. Well, maybe a little, but wow.
Just a little bit. We'll hold a little bit against you. So we got 7 people in my
Right,
channel,
and then
4
my short.
people in yours, 10 people in X. Would love to see some comments from everybody who's here.
Yeah, all right.
Hit
Start
the like
leaving
button.
comments so we can actually know who the heck is in here watching.
Yeah, turn on that bell notification. Subscribe, turn on that bell notification. You're in the right place at the right time.
So I did take my short at 149.50. I have 5 points locked in profit. I'm gonna see if this goes all the way back down again.
Yeah.
It's only 2 micros, so I'm kind of.
So I
just
named
playing
I named my dog Limit Order. Know why? Because he never comes when I call him.
Dave.
I'm having way too much fun right now.
Whew. You are. I'm gonna put you in timeout.
Time out.
All right, so NQ did not pull back down to its lows before this started coming back up. And I'm looking at a 1-minute chart right now because I have to be so damn scalpy. On the 5-minute, excuse me. Yeah, that 5-minute chart, it looks like we on this current candle, we came down, hit the value area high, and then bounced up off it. Went through VWAP, hit the first standard deviation, then came right back down to VWAP and pushed through it.
Mm-hmm.
So,
Skeletor said, Dave, did you take your meds this morning? Knock on wood, I don't take many meds.
knock on wood.
Yeah, hopefully it stays that way.
I mean, just because you need them doesn't mean you need to take them.
Fair. That's fair.
Just like,
It's very valid. Come on, NQ. Let's go.
we do have orders up above us on NQ. Still not loving them though.
I'm just looking for 61 here. Just need a little bit of a pop here. Just flip this candle green for like 2 seconds. Come on.
You're in a long and I'm in a short.
Uh-oh.
That's all right. We're both going to make money on it.
There we go. I'm out. All right. You got that account now to $92. I would have said, Dave, have you been smoking the good stuff this morning? But don't smoke. Yes. Oh, geez. Should have held on to it a little bit longer. But I'm just, with those TPTs, I'm just putting tight profit TPs just because still got a little bit of ways. I need about 500 to get through that buffer. And then I can be a little bit more free with it. You know, put a stop in there.
A little
try
more
to let
aggressive.
It run. Yeah. Or I guess a little less aggressive on taking profits, just kind of like trying to get a little bit more out of it. Yeah. Where it's like, I just want to sell it at the high of the you know, the account balance.
Well, I lost $18 on that trade.
Okay. I made 25.
Oh, bully for you.
Yeah.
No, I'm happy for you. But now I got to catch up to you.
Everyone's like, why is he being so? I'm just trying to help the algorithm here. Like me again. So I was saying,
you're a pretty likable guy.
Yeah.
Sorry, go ahead.
I was saying to the chat, there's only a couple things that happened around the time when the algorithm stopped liking me. One was I had that scheduled trading session, which I showed up an hour late to on Monday, that last Monday. Remember, I slept in. That was one thing. The other thing is we kind of had somebody in the chat who was being a little bit like arrogant, like, and then a bunch of the chat were kind of getting mad at him. So they were like kind of sort of making fun of and giving him a hard time and stuff. That happened too. I don't know if the algorithm will catch something like that, but it just weird that it coincided with the same time that I stopped getting promoted.
Well, I did apologize for my arrogance, and I'm sorry. I'll apologize again.
Yeah, and then the only other thing was I was complaining about the government and the forest fires right now. And that was the only other thing that I thought happened in the same timeline of when all of a sudden the algorithm stopped promoting me to new people. So
yeah, that wouldn't do it. There are so many YouTube channels right now with people that are specifically just complaining about the Canadian and the US government.
But we did recently pass some some bills that are negative for like, it could be negative. A lot of Canadian YouTube commentators in the last 3 months or so, maybe 4 months now, lost like half of their views. So I don't know if it's a weird coincidence that I lean a little bit more conservative. Not that I like really lean conservative, but I want to change in our current government.
Well, you lean conservative because, you know, you're a bootlicking idiot. Oh, wait, no, that's in the US. Sorry.
I just like what the opposition leader would like to do, some of the changes he would like to do, not necessarily like a full conservative.
Well, hell, just move to the States. You can have a quote-unquote conservative government, and they can sit there and complain about how the deep state and how all the, what do they call them, libtards are manipulating everything, which I still don't understand. They have control of the 3 major branches of government, and they're still complaining that the liberals are somehow controlling things and the deep state is trying to screw them. And if you actually think it out a little bit, it's well, frankly, it's like talking to somebody who's had a closed head injury and way too much alcohol.
Okay, so now we have a bearish divergence on NQ. ES made a new high, it broke above value area high. YM also broke up, sitting on value area high, and NQ is just sitting here in the middle of the opening range. So we got ES and YM are both out of the initial balance. Oh, this was I labeled this wrong actually. I put opening range high. It should be initial balance high.
Uh-oh. Don't do that.
I know. Initial balance low. Orders above here, 240 and 250 on the NQ.
Yeah, I've got a micro long that I've been sitting on for about 5 minutes now.
Okay, nice.
I'm not adding anything to it because this price action isn't exactly conducive to adding into positions.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go grab some more coffee. I'll be back.
Sounds good. I need to get into that too pretty soon here. Kind of wish I held that original ES long, guys. Man. How you guys doing this morning? I'm gonna run a poll real quick here, if you guys wouldn't mind answering. Start a poll. Green, red, or flat, guys? Green, red, or flat? Did you catch any trades on Asia? Completely overslept, missed a sweet session? Yeah, I did actually. I put in 240 in my 150K Lucid Pro eval, and I put in, I think it was this one, 308 in my Top One Futures Elite daily account, and then a couple other small wins. Take Profit Trader, I think, was up about $30 or $40, and I streamed last night actually, which I normally don't stream on Monday nights, but I'm not able to stream tonight, guys, so I'll see you on Wednesday or Thursday. Yeah, Wednesday morning anyways. So if you got a moment here, fill out that little poll there. Just trying to see how everyone's doing on the day. Green, red, or flat? Green, red, or flat? So far we got 2 votes and both are green. Nice. Bitcoin's going up, hey guys? Bitcoin is at Bitcoin's at 66, almost 67,000 right now. 2 votes, only 2 votes. How many people we got? We got 8 people in YouTube. Come on. It's totally anonymous. Give us your votes. Green, red, or flat. Love to hear from you. Thanks, sir. Currently have 22 people watching right now, 7 people in YouTube, or 11 people YouTube, 11 people in X. Hey, look at 50-50, guys. Woo! Let's put on Angie's guitar song, guys. It's been a minute since we've had that one going. I'm gonna make a quick little song here, guys. Let's see how this one turns out. Let's see what happens here if we get a pullback to the VWAP. Might be a decent entry. We still have orders there up at 29,250.
You in anything now?
Nope, just flat. But I was we're kind of pulling back here. I'm thinking we might get to the VWAP. Might actually still hold the value area or previous day high here. We got a bullish fair value gap that we left on the 5-minute, 29,190, sort of the middle of it. Also lining up with the previous day high. I saw your Bruce introduction video there. That was pretty funny.
Yeah, I couldn't resist. Could not resist that.
Yeah. I'm whipping up a couple new songs here right now. One new song anyways. It always pumps out 2 versions though. Kind of holding previous day high here. Kind of in this we just had a seller ball pop on the chart there. 429 contracts at 503 contracts at 29,180.
Really?
Seller side. Yeah. Yeah. MNQ 503 contracts at 180. A red seller ball. Try to switch accounts here real quick. See if I can't get this on before TP gets hit here. Is it gonna hit it? Oh, of course. By the time I switched over to the account, it was already TP got hit there for me. So I made 83 and so about $200. I was like, I took it in my Lucid trader eval, 150k eval. That one's up pretty nicely, up 5,722. I think I need, so you need the 9,000 target to pass it.
Good job.
So nice I need a little bit over, yeah, a little bit over 300. But if I go down to the 1 minute chart, at least you guys can kind of see my executions here. I went long 77, added into it at 69, held this fair value gap and then bounced up, sold it at just below the 200s. Conservative target, just because, you know, you never know what's going to happen on those round numbers. And then, of course, we just ripped right through the 200s, all the way up to 220.
I am in an oil short right now with 25 contracts.
Wow. Big boy trade coming in here.
Yeah.
And we're just going here higher, all the way up to 250, it looks like. Going to try to take out those orders at 250 here. Initial balance high, just around the corner here.
We are below VWAP on this oil trade. Still looks like it's pushing down a bit. Gonna lock in 500.
What a crazy song that came out. I don't know. I'm going to need your guys' opinion. Usually when I'm feeling like I need your opinion, that means it's not a very good song. Oh my God. Okay, don't hate me, guys. Don't hate me for this, but you guys got to be... we got to test out your ear vajayjays on this song. Did I just say ear vajayjays?
You did. Okay, if the song is anything like your comments for the day, just scrap it right now.
It is. It is.
Coffee's hot, the charts are too. VWAP says, I'm watching you. Dad walks in with socks and slides. Son, your profits got supersized. I said, I'm waiting for confirmation. He said, so you're dating the market now? Green candles, red candles. Nobody knows except the guy on YouTube who changes.
Nobody knows except the guy on YouTube.
Every 15 minutes. Buy the dip, only if it fits. Trust your plan, don't revenge again.
It's a bit of an anthem song.
Day trades, everybody's laughing while the market fades. VWAP's king, ring that bell.
So I put up a poll there, green, red, or flat. We only got 2 votes, and they're both green. So congrats to, I'm assuming, Angia and Czar. Probably the only two that answered it, but
Why'd he lose his funded account? He moved to stop just temporarily. Dad says, you know why bears can't dance? No, they got 2 left feet and terrible entries.
All right.
yeah. You stopped it out. Improv
Yep.
it.
Just 2,800 on that trade.
Wow. There you go. Big win today. Good NQ. Nice job, Angia. And she said, I'm going to take a break this week. Every big win with a good break. Yeah, I like how you do that. Oh, okay. You're on Nick's stream. That's why. Gotcha. Yeah, I can. I put it on. You can only do the poll through YouTube. So when you post it, yeah, it'll only show up on one of the streams.
Oh, sorry about that, buddy. Yeah, why does it not show up on mine? We're both attached to the same StreamYard.
Well, because it's not like it's through YouTube. It's not through.
Oh, well, that's your.
StreamYard?
Do it through the StreamYard and you won't have that issue.
Can you do it through the StreamYard?
Yep. You can make a poll in StreamYard.
Really?
Really?
Under media assets or something?
Not sure. I saw it not too long ago, though.
Banner style.
I was going to do a poll. Who likes Dave better or me better?
Oh my god. Teleprompter.
Coffee's hot, the charts are too. VWAP says I'm
I don't know. I don't see it.
Dad walks in with socks and slides. Son, your profits got supersized. I said, I'm waiting for confirmation. He said, Nick has a revolution to clean up the ocean.
Not under banners. Media assets. Placement overlay. Video clips. Loop. Sounds. Music. Okay. Style. Presets. Brand. Theme. Camera. Widgets. Nope. Oh, there. New poll. Okay. I'm gonna try it.
Try it out. See how it works.
Okay, well, I did it there. Let's see, though. I don't see it in, I don't see it, though. Oh, start and show. There we go. Okay, it pops up there on the left-hand side. But I don't see it in the comments. Oh, how does it work? You gotta type, I think you gotta type a number in the chat and hit enter. 1, 2, or 3. So I'm gonna try that. Oh yeah, it says type 1, 2, or 3 in the chat. And then I typed 1, but it doesn't look like. Oh, we got 1. It caught it. Nice. So green, red, or flat, guys. Type 1, 2, or 3 in the chat, please. Let's see if we can get this poll to work here. Looks like we got about 19 viewers now. 8 in YouTube and 11 in X. Price is not doing a whole lot here. We did break the IB high. I thought today is Wednesday. I was thinking to say, let me start my weekend now. Yeah, it's pretty early in the week still. It's only Tuesday.
I mean, you can start your weekend now.
Yeah. It's 5 o'clock somewhere. Might even be 5 o'clock at your place right now.
Whoa. That was...
Save the funky turtle.
So I typed in 25 for another short on oil, and it put in 255 contracts.
Oh my god.
Yeah, that's what I just said.
Did it take that trade or?
It did.
Holy crap.
I exited it immediately, but
That's scary.
yeah.
Is it a cash account?
No. You gonna save a funky turtle?
Love saving funky turtles.
Who doesn't love saving a funky turtle? Come on.
I really enjoy scuba diving with turtles.
Yeah, those things are pretty amazing when you see them in the water.
Yeah, in
You
Hawaii,
see
I
'em on-
was diving with some, and they're pretty cool. There's like these sort of small mounds, and they would all just there would be like 3 or 4 of them all hanging out there, just sleeping
Just
on
chilling.
it or chilling. Yeah, pretty cool. You're not allowed to touch them, but
Go now.
to see them. Angia, have a great day.
See you later, Angia.
Need a reel with Ralph? Yeah, I could always put together a little Ralph reel. That's a good idea. Okay, Angia, see ya. Have a great day. Nick has a revolution.
Gonna have to start putting the QR code for the
Yeah.
plastic-free ocean thing up on the live stream.
Yeah, if you add it to the widgets.
All right, putting another 11 contracts in right now on an oil short.
Nice.
Mustang rolling, butcher on charts, cutting up trays like meat, no fart. Small size gang, we play it smart. One clean entry, that's where we start. Go too heavy, it drags and bends. Oil too slippery, slips through hands. Nat gas mad, yeah, that one pops. Blink one time, it will take your stops. Step highs, liquidity sits. Step lows, yeah, we target hits. Don't chase moves, don't FOMO this. Wait for confirmation, then we commit. Shot go out when the candle's long. Yeah, that's the song. Green on the screen, but we stay calm, cause one wrong move and it's all gone. You want fast money? That's how you lose. Over leverage, yeah, pick your news. We ain't here for a one-day flex. We here long term, respect the steps. Trade like an adult, don't move reckless. Base hit stack, get a roll, stay endless. VWAP hold, we don't guess this. FVG, feel them, we press it. MNQ but we stay composed. ES cleaner, yeah, everybody knows that high stack lows. No stress, risk management, that's success. Market butcher, Mustang.
Oh yeah, that's some good hot coffee.
Cheers, big ears.
Yes, sir. Hey, FN Trades in the house. Good morning. How's trading going? Trading's going all right. How about you? Taking some bangers this morning or what?
Yeah. Market butcher. Mustang trader. Trade like an adult. Yeah.
Uh-oh, we lost Nick, guys. We lost Nick. Maybe we got a power outage or something.
MNQ moving mad, that whips too fast. One fake break and it spins right back. Man said long at the highs, now fam, wait for the pullback. Stick to the plan, VWAP line, yeah, price respect. Tap that level, then we collect. FVG gap, get full real quick, then it runs and we ride that shift. Mustang rolling, butcher on charts, cutting up trays like meat, no fast. Small size gang, we play it smart. One clean entry, that's where we start. Go too heavy, it drags and bends. Oil too slippery, slips through.
Trying to take the IV high here.
Blink one time, it will take it stops. Step highs, liquidity sits. Step lows, that we target hits. Don't chase moves, don't FOMO this. Wait for confirmation, then we commit. Shot go out when the candle's long. Yeah, that's the song. Green on the screen, but we stay calm. Cause one wrong move and it's all gone. You want fast money? That's how you lose. Over leverage, yeah, pick your news. We ain't here for a one-day flex. We here long term, respect the steps.
And he's back.
I don't know what the heck happened there. Actually,
Yeah, just all of a sudden you're just gone.
just hit the wrong button. No big deal.
NQ's trying to take the IB high here. We have a lot of orders above 250, 260, 270, 280, 300. Kind of struggling though up here at the initial balance high.
Yeah. Market butcher. Mustang trader. Trade like an adult. Yeah.
You only train during the overnight session nowadays? I have 1 to 2 trades per day and then a lockout. Nice job. Yeah, I think you made what, like 310 accounts or something yesterday, or something like that.
Who did that?
FN Trades.
That's a good day. $3,000 day.
Yeah.
Who would be unhappy with that?
Right.
Maybe Bezos or something.
Yeah, that's the song. Green on the screen, but we stay calm. Cause one wrong move and it's all gone. You want fast money? That's how you lose. Over leverage, yeah, pick your news. We ain't here for a one-day flex. We here long term, respect the steps.
Getting a bit of a deeper pullback here down to previous day high. Wow.
We don't guess this. FVG, feel them, we press it. MNQ but we stay composed. ES cleaner, yeah, everybody knows that high stack lows. No stress, risk management, that's success. Market butcher, Mustang trader, base hits only. Trade like a lado. Yeah, market butcher.
Previous day high here is going to be kind of the line in the sand if the bulls are going to stay around here or not. or are they going to let it go? It is great, but I try not to think of the dollar amount. I would trade one account the same way. Yeah, that's perfect.
That's why I copy trade instead of putting large size on
One account.
one larger account. I'd much rather have multiple smaller accounts where I don't freak out when I see that number.
Yeah.
So if I'm $100 in drawdown on 20 accounts, I can deal with that. If I look at I'm $2,000 in drawdown on one account, I'm gonna close it even if I shouldn't.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Are you looking at oil still?
I am. I took my short, made a couple bucks on that, took my long, made a couple bucks on that. Now I'm trying to figure out what direction this is going to go.
That's fair. Canadian Prime Minister Carney, I spoke to Trump on Tuesday morning. We agreed to intensify negotiations in the coming weeks. Okay. About time.
Negotiations for what?
USMCA, I think. Let's hope we can come to a deal on that. They've been he's been threatening some extra tariffs since we've been polluting the American air with all these fires.
Yeah, that's brilliant.
I don't know if you heard about the Gordie Howe Bridge at all.
The Gordie Howe Bridge in Detroit?
There's a new bridge that we made connecting Canada and USA, I think. Is it Detroit?
Yeah, it's in Detroit.
Yeah. So Canada paid $6 billion for it, and the original agreement was that we take all the profits until it gets paid back.
Mm-hmm.
And then Carney made a deal with Trump where we split the profits instead of getting Canada whole again first.
Well, that was stupid on Carney's part.
I know, right? Like all the risk, and then none of the benefits, right?
So yeah, it kind of goes along with the whole, oh, we're going to build a wall and Mexico is going to pay for it to keep Mexicans out. That never happened.
Really? Yeah.
We're gonna build a bridge between Canada and the U.S. and Canada is gonna get the profits from it. Yeah, no, that's not gonna happen either.
Yeah. Well, I mean, the deal was struck like, I don't know, in our previous administration years.
It doesn't matter what deals are on the table, what deals have been made, what deals have been signed, struck. You'd sell your soul and sign it in blood, and Trump does not care.
Mm-hmm.
He cares about his pocketbook, and that's it. There's no honor when it comes to a contract or an agreement whatsoever.
Mm-hmm. What a candle there, hey? I just got a weird comment. David, Royal Canadian Marine Search and Rescue mentioned you in a comment on Facebook. What? I don't want to click the link though, because I don't know if that's just a scam link, right?
Who knows?
Notifications.
It's a friend of yours from high school who is search and rescue now. Best case scenario.
this, wait for confirmation, then we commit. Shot go out when the candle's long. Yeah, that's the song. Green on the screen, but we stay calm. Cause one wrong move and it's all gone. You want fast money? That's how you lose. Over leverage, yeah, pick your news. We ain't here for a one-day flex. We here long term, respect the steps. Trade like an adult, don't move reckless. Base hit stack, yeah, the growth stay endless. VWAP hold, we don't guess this. FVG, fill them, we press it. MNQ but we stay composed. ES cleaner, yeah, everybody knows that high stack lows. No stress, risk management, that's success. Market butcher, Mustang trader, base hits only. Trade like an adult.
I got a limit order on oil for a long at $84.
Mustang trader, trade like an adult. Trade like an adult, don't move reckless. Base hit stack, yeah, the growth stay endless. VWAP hold, we don't guess this. FVG, fill them, we press it. MNQ but we stay composed. ES clean.
What a ripper there. Holy smokes.
No stress, risk management, that's success. Look, MNQ moving mad, that whips.
You on NQ?
I'm watching NQ, yeah, but I'm not in a trade at the moment. But yeah, we pulled back into that previous day high and went from previous day high at 29,200 all the way up to 29,276. Oh,
Bless you.
Liquidity sits, step lows, yeah, we target hits. Don't chase moves, don't FOMO this, wait for confirmation, then we commit. Shot go out when the candle's long. Yeah, that's the song. Green on the screen, but we stay calm. Cause one wrong move and it's all gone. You want fast money? That's how you lose. Over leverage, yeah, pick your news. We ain't here for a one-day flex. We here long term, respect the steps. Trade like an adult, don't move.
Aren't less Mexicans entering the U.S. recently? Sorry, did you read that already?
No. So it's actually more than when Obama was in office. It's actually more than when Biden was in office as well. But there are more Americans leaving the United States. So that's happening. All right. Well, you know what? I think I'm done trading for the day.
Yeah, I pretty much got to get going here pretty quick too. But
yeah, there's really no reason for me to be getting into a long up here on NQ.
Sorry, I'll be back just 1 second. My apologies.
Got an oil trade in cash account as a limit order with a stop loss in. So not feeling like I need to be doing much else.
You got my VWAP, got my levels clean. Fair value gap, yeah, you know what I mean. Miss my entry by a tick again. Now I'm talking to myself, let me patient then. Try to get filled, but it ran away. Now I'm sitting here like, should I chase? No way. Pull back gang, yeah, that's my lane. Chasing highs and NQ, that's straight. Pain got banned on X for some random clip. Chuck Norris kicked me right out of.
Sorry about that.
Don't be.
So it's kind of interesting how, so in Canada, there's the census. They do studies on people, obviously. They
Yeah.
they're saying that more people. There's been a ton of people actually leaving Canada to go to the USA because cost of living so extremely out of control here, and taxes are so high. So a lot of them are moving down to like Texas and Florida.
So, do you know how many Canadians I have met here that have left Canada and basically just same boat that I'm in, fed up, checked out, and done.
Yeah, so both countries are obviously going through some rough times for people's happiness in general, right?
I mean, affordability is an issue in the States. People can't afford rent, healthcare, groceries, gas.
Yeah, same thing in Canada.
Got the education system there is like 27th in the world for mathematics. There are more people that believe that the earth is flat in the US than anywhere else in the world.
Really?
So that right there tells you that the education system is lacking.
Small size gang, yeah, we staying consistent. Ain't you sweep stops, yeah, it does that quick. So I wait for the pullback, then I take my pick. Stack it up slow, don't blow the account.
Jerry Trade's gonna move to Canada. He wants to own chickens like Dave. What, they don't let you own chickens in the States?
They sure do. In
Maybe
most
not
places.
Maybe not in California, where Jerry lives.
I think that's where all the chickens come from.
Yeah. There's lots of reports actually that the Canadian border they're having some problems between Canada and US. There's a lot of illegal immigrants coming through Canada because we have such a big unprotected border that they're sneaking through in a number of the areas that are controlled.
I accidentally ended up in Canada once on horseback.
Oh, no way, really? You're like, hopefully I don't get busted right now, right?
I didn't even know it until I was in Canada for probably a couple hours before we realized that we were, in fact, in Canada.
We had crossed the border. Hey, Dad, good morning. You got 11 likes this morning? Wow, awesome. It's been pretty quiet morning.
Oh, yeah.
A bunch of dumb people, but we also have more millionaires than anywhere in the world by a mile. That's true.
Money does not. Yeah, but money does not equal brains. That's.
They did something right, though. Some
born into the right family.
Yeah, there's some of that
School
too.
from the right people. I mean, yeah, you can do a lot of things. You make money the old-fashioned way. You steal it.
I don't need a home run, I just need a base hit. Small size gang, yeah, we staying consistent. Ain't you sweep stops, yeah, it does that quick. So I wait for the pullback, then I take my pick. Stack it up slow, don't blow the account. $36, yeah, I'm cashing that out. You want big wins? Cool, take that risk. I'll be over here just stacking base hits. 6 in the chat, yeah, we just went live. Somebody woke up, only 4 hours, barely alive. Oil going up in the NASDAQ too. One of y'all lying, I don't trust you. Got my VWAP, got my levels clean. Fair value gap, yeah, you know.
Trump is about to talk here pretty soon too, so.
Shit.
Oh, he is. He's speaking right now, actually. He's talking to somebody. What is this? Bilateral meeting with the president of the Republic of Lebanon.
Small size gang, yeah, we staying consistent. MNQ sweep stops, yeah, it does that quick. So I wait for the pullback, then I take my pick. Stack it up slow, don't blow the account. Little green trades, yeah, we building that amount. You want big wins? Cool, take that risk. I'll be over here just stacking base hits. Couple base hits. We'll take that. Let's trade. Yeah. Market Butcher Live. We're not here to gamble. We here to survive. I don't need a home run, I just need a base hit. Small size gang.
I did a quick search on border crossings in the U.S. and it says since 2025, crossing by Mexican nationals as well as other nationalities have declined substantially, along with the overall drop in border encounters.
Check your source.
That's from ChatGPT. It says U.S. Customs and off of the U.S. Customs and Border Protection website.
Check your sources. Yeah.
So you think
that's all I'm going to say about that.
This government website might not be telling the truth, basically.
Have you seen the CDC's website recently?
CDC?
Center for Disease Control.
No, I have not.
Check out the US CDC website. It's interesting now.
Really?
Mm-hmm. All right, buddy. Oh, I am done for the day.
Yeah.
What's that?
I said, good morning, Clee.
Hi, Clee. Bye, Clee. All right, I'm getting out of here. I'm done trading. So
you have a great day. Nice trade on that oil.
Later. Thank you. And you have a lovely evening.
Thanks. See you, Nick. The U.S. is just overall better financially than the rest of the world. Capitalism rules. Yeah, Mustang, I like how you don't always have to be smart to make money. Like with trading, it's not really complex. Yeah. Hey, the hawk flies. What's up? Wait, I just got back. Wrong trade Jim in the house. Welcome, everybody. How's your morning going, Clee? You making some bank today or what? I'll be back uno momento. Take that risk. I'll be over here just stacking base hits. Couple base hits. We'll take that. Let's trade. Yeah. Market Butcher Live. We're not here to gamble. We here to survive. I don't need a home run, I just need a base hit. Small size gang, yeah, we staying consistent. MNQ sweep stops, yeah, it does that quick. So I wait for the pullback, then I take my pick. Stack it up slow, don't blow the account. $36, yeah, I'm cashing that out. You want big wins? Cool, take that risk. I'll be over here just stacking base hits. 6 in the chat, yeah, we just went live. Somebody woke up, only 4 hours, barely alive. Oil going up in the NASDAQ too. One of y'all lying, y'all don't trust you. Got my VWAP, got my levels clean. Fair value gap, yeah, you know what I mean. Miss my entry by a tick again. Now I'm talking to myself, let me patient then. Try to get filled, but it ran away. Now I'm sitting here like, should I chase? No way. Pull back gang, yeah, that's my lane. Good morning, Clee. Bye, Nick. Up 5,300. Took yesterday off. Didn't like the way it moved. Yeah, yesterday's price action was a little weird. The evening session was pretty good, though. I normally don't stream Monday nights, but I'm not streaming tonight. So I streamed yesterday, and yeah, it turned out pretty good. Trump just said Iran wants to meet. We have no interest. Okay. Thanks, Trump. Like, playing hard to get now, I guess. Market Butcher Live. We're not here to gamble. We here to survive.
I don't need a home run, I just need a base hit. Small size gang, yeah, we staying consistent. NQ sweep stops, yeah, it does that quick. So I wait for the pullback, then I take my pick. Stack it up slow, don't blow the account. 36 bucks, yeah, I'm cashing that out. You want big wins? Cool, take that risk. I'll be over here just stacking base hits. In the chat, yeah, we just went live. Somebody woke up, only 4 hours, barely alive. Oil going up in the NASDAQ too. One of y'all lying, I don't trust you. Got my VWAP, got my levels clean. Fair value gap, yeah, you know what I mean. Miss my entry by a tick again. Now I'm talking to myself, let me be patient then. Try to get filled, but it ran away. Now I'm sitting here like, should I chase? No way. Pull back gang, yeah, that's my lane. Chasing highs in NQ, that's straight pain. Got banned on X for some random clip. Chuck Norris kicked me right out of the app real quick. Now I'm back on stream like it's all good, bro. Market still open, let's get this. I don't need a home.
There are definitely less Mexicans entering U.S. I don't know what he's talking about. They're all afraid of ICE. Why would more people want to enter now than when Biden was in office? Yeah, I don't really know. I just did a quick search and it just said that whatever that website is, the U.S. Customs and Immigration is just showing less interactions and less people. But then I asked, is it possible for the government site to be falsified? It says yes, it's possible for government data to contain errors, omission, and biased presentations, or even a political spin. But that's different from concluding the entire data set is fabricated. For the border numbers, the strongest reasons to treat the general trend as credible are the CBP publishes monthly data generated through operational records of apprehensions, encounters, not merely White House estimate. It encounters total, combines border patrol, apprehensions, people found inadmissible, and in earlier years. Independent organizations such as Pew and the Migration Policy Institute have analyzed the underlying figures and also found a very large decline from the December 2023 peak to the first few months of the Trump term. The Government Accountability Office and DHS Inspector generally regulate, audit DHS and CBP. They have identified genuine weakness in some CBP data systems and reporting practices, which shows the figures are not above criticism. So glad the conversation didn't last long. It would have been hard to not get spicy. Oh, about the websites? Well, I mean, I respect his point of view and his opinion, right? And he's, by what AI is saying here, he's definitely onto something, that those numbers can be skewed on those websites, right? On the government websites. So he's definitely not necessarily wrong. It's just like, what can you trust, right? That's the hard part. So, the current administration wants you to think that there's... Oh, you don't have view? Oh, okay. Well, I'm trying to take a neutral point of view here on politics because I'm not American, so I don't really have, proper insight on the whole American situation. All I see is what gets sent through social media to Canada, right? That is a nice thing about being American or in a free country, though, right? Hey, Clee, is you can be opinionated, and you don't have to be not necessarily, everyone's allowed to have their opinion. So Trump says, I have no interest in meeting in Iran until ready. Trump asked on China election claims, we do things to them too. Okay. Nobody gets through the blockade. The government websites are mostly skewed. They've ever been more skewed than they've ever been right now. More Americans than Nicks would like to think support. Gotcha.
53 watching, only 21 likes. Hit that button, don't be that guy. VWAP tag it, we might just bounce or fake you out and take you out. Go long, let's eat. I'm short 5 micros, I'm in too deep. I don't get this pump. Yeah, same bro. Market said, watch this. Then it go. MNQ on the chart. I'm scalping every move. Mess running slow, but I'm still in the groove. Stop loss tight, unless I forget. Then I'm sitting there like, why'd I do that? NQ sweep stops, then it rips back quick. You missed by one.
Especially in the Hispanic communities. So in the Hispanic communities, you're saying what it? Sorry, you're saying that a lot of the Hispanic communities support the Trump administration, Clee? I mean, you would know being that you're Spanish or Hispanic, sorry, not Spanish. So we are all the way in. This was my original target of the day, guys. I really got to try to hold a trade, just like go in with 1 micro and just like let it ride, like pick a bias in the morning. That's what I should probably start doing. I should take 1 account, pick a bias like relatively early, maybe like if I'm bullish, wait for a bit of a pullback, enter long, and just like let it ride and just leave it until, you know, pick some sort of invalidation zone, maybe like pretty far away from your entry, and just like let it run. Because if my bias is right, we're not just going to stop here at the 300s. We're going to be heading all the way up to the 29 500s by like the end of the day. That might be a little too far because but we do have 206 orders up there at 500, which is a naked point of control. A naked point of control is here back from Thursday's price action. So they support the president and the border crossing issues. Many have came the correct way and don't like seeing illegals. Yeah, I guess. I mean, usually people who follow rules don't like the people who don't follow the rules, and it doesn't matter what your background you are, right? Like, of course, if you went through all the process, did all the paperwork, did it legitimately, you're not going to be happy if somebody else is coming in illegally. That, I mean, that's definitely 100% given, right? Totally makes sense. 100%. So, and I think you'll find that with a lot of those types of, like a lot of the different communities, right? Like, you know, whether it depends on where you're coming from, right? That's not correct. Jerry, are you also Hispanic? Let's not get into a big argument on the chat though, guys. Please, just like that, and it gives legal immigrants a look and get painted with the same brush in the eyes of many. Yeah, that's fair too. Yeah, I can see that happening. I mean, I heard similar things before. I mean, I'm a Canadian born person, so I don't really have actual insight about immigration. You know, my family immigrated here, you know, back in the 1900s, early 1900s from Europe, like England area. So my grandma and her parents immigrated here, Mexican American, first generation. Nice. So my grandma immigrated here. Her family immigrated here in like the early 1900s, like 1901, something like that. And they had a carriage, like that they, you know, like a horse and carriage. And they were traveling inland to try to get to a place to sort of like set up home. And basically they ended up living underneath the carriage for the first winter. once they got to their destination in Saskatchewan. And then after they made through the winter, then the next year they started building some houses and stuff. But it's pretty interesting life for those type of people who immigrated into a country to be some of the first people to sort of like start building life out here. Pretty cool. So so it's pretty amazing what some of those immigrants have done, right? So Trump, we're not finished at all with Iran. We're not leaving right now. We have had a big impact on Iran. Trump just still talking, guys. This guy never stops talking, man. I'm always scared to trade when Trump's talking, you know? You know? FN Trades, you're also Mexican American? Is that what you're saying? Depends where you get your information from. You might just never change your opinion on it. Parents teach kids to dislike certain things for no good evidence-based reason. Well, I mean, especially a lot of our parents are from a time where there was less information and they just kind of like learn things sort of as like common knowledge, right? And then they kind of like they feel that that is correct and then they apply it. So, and I do know that a lot of people's points of views are directly related to their personal experiences, right? So depending on who's around you and what their opinions are can really shape your opinions on life and on things like, for example, political views or whatever, right? So it's definitely a thing, right? So we definitely need, people to have their own opinions, which is good. It fuels debate and people can learn from each other. And I'm sure that the truth is, usually somewhere in the middle of either side, right? The Hawkfly, Jerry needs to be barred from Mexican food for a timeout. The Hawkflies, are you also Mexican American? Over half support the policy, a smaller portion that don't like some deportation practices. Yeah. I don't give out personal data. Fair enough. That's why you got two different names, one for YouTube and one for Discord, hey? Make sure nobody knows what's going on. Yeah, I always hear a lot of mixed reports, like, for example, like on the whole Iranian situation, like they say, I see reports of like Iranians like celebrating what's happening because they're trying to like help them, right? And then I got Iranians saying like, oh, it's horrible, blah, 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 right? So it's like, it's hard to know what's actual factual, right? And the same thing, I guess, happened sort of like with Venezuela, right? Where I heard, some people are supporting it and then some people are like saying, no, it's horrible, right? So I don't really know. It's always going to be somewhere in the middle, I think. You agree with deportation, but not how the current administration is approaching it. Okay. I mean, that's a valid argument. I'm sure that there's always ways that governments can improve on either their policies or the way that they're running their policies. But thanks for sort of having this nice calm debate, guys. I appreciate it.
Another Sunday, another Globex, another 1,000 traders looking for the secret. STFU. The chart already told you.
So how's everybody doing though on the trading aspect here? Hopefully everybody's relatively green. I'm just gonna scroll through my accounts here real quick. So I got I'm up 442 in my Lucid 150k eval. That one's 5,700 into profit. I got to hit that $9,000 profit target to pass that account, and it'll be my first 150k that I passed if I can pass it. So I'm hopeful that that's gonna work. Then I got my Lucid funded flex up 145. My other funded flex is up 115. Heading on over to Take Profit Trader, up 92 in that account. Top One Futures, 339 in an evaluation, and 962 in my 150k funded account. Trying to get that one out of drawdown. It's now at 151,000 with a 4,300 drawdown, but I think you get 6,000 on that account. So I still got to make about 1620 to get that thing back to even state. And then what else do I got here? And then in the Blue Sky account, I'm up 158. So green across the board in every account this morning. So that's pretty good. You have criminals in fake ice gear killing people and detaining people like thugs in unbranded vehicles. Really? That's crazy. That's scariness. People can be dumb, man. They'll say that they hate Ukraine or Iran and give no reasons why. I might even agree about disliking it, but I can't even put into words why sometimes. Gotcha, yeah. Is it because the previous administration was blind to it and handed everything out for free while hardworking taxpayers and business owners paid for it? I'm not pro Latina heartbreakers. I had 3 that got me good. I'm sure Klee knows all about that. She seems like a heartbreaker. If she decides that she doesn't like you anymore, you're gonna be heartbroken. Solid number, Butch Dogs. Hey, thanks, Elevated. Yeah, numbers are pretty good. That's a factor, Klee, but small organizations give stuff out for free without the government even knowing, so it's hard to contain. Yeah, true. Mustang trader, market butcher. Another Sunday. Oh, you're talking about government benefits and support? Another 1,000 traders looking for the secret. So with that whole what is it, Minnesota? All the fraud in Minnesota? What do you guys think? Is that all truthful stuff that happened? You know, like they busted all that and everything? I think it was Minnesota, right? With the daycare fraud or whatever? Like millions and millions of dollars in daycare fraud? Whoa, it's 8:42. 11:42. Too bad all my big profits are in my evals. It's just I don't have the buffer to be risking that much on my funded accounts. So I'm slowly just trying to grind them up. Shoot for about $100 in profit to 1 to 200 in profit on each account, and then just kind of like leave it for the next day. Klee, yeah, that too, like the free healthcare and surgeries for immigrants is BS. You know, we have a similar thing in Canada, so there's a lot of asylum seekers. Like we spend over almost $1 billion a year in support for asylum seekers, and they get sort of like gold level medical and dental and eye protection. They get funded for rent and everything, and a lot of them are like, they come here as like on a student visa or some other visa, and then that runs out, they can't renew it, and they end up applying for asylum, and they end up staying here, and they get a lot of government support. Minnesota was just a dumb kid trying to get attention on social media. All his info was incorrect. Really? Oh, you're talking about Nick. What is that guy's name? Nick something or other, I think. But then the government came out and said that they had caught a bunch of fraud, didn't they? Or is that potentially fake news also?
Mustang trader.
Can't remember that kid's name now. Nick something or other.
Another Sunday. Another Globex. Another 1,000 traders looking for the secret. STFU. The chart already told you. VWAP talking. Why you talking?
So you're saying you've seen reports, Clee, that the Minnesota was real? It's been confirmed. Again, being somebody from outside of the country, I don't know if I'm getting truthful information or not. So the government is Trump. Gotcha. I gotta make a quick phone call here. I gotta call my dad real quick. I'm just gonna turn the mic off for a second, but I'll be here, guys. My dad's got to go potentially to a doctor's appointment today, so I just need to make sure that, see if what's happening with that. So I'll be here, but the mic will be off just for a sec. Give me a moment here, please. I don't need 20 indicators on screen, just value areas in a plan that's clean. While they buying every breakout move, I'm waiting where the institutions choose. Value area high, value area low. Market tells a story if you already know. Most traders listen after it's too late, then blame manipulation instead of their fate. Austin Silver taught patience pays. Evan Dyer showed discipline stays. Every level got a reason to exist. Most traders never even notice this. No FOMO, no revenge, no oversizing, no nonsense, just levels. VWAP execution. Mustang, calling levels before they hit, but you're executing every piece of it. Chat saying, how'd you know that zone? Because we've seen this movie before, bro. Lucid, Evo, top one account. Slow consistency is what it's about. Everybody wants to pay out today. Nobody wants to learn the patient way. Globex open, volume thin. Still enough for disciplined traders to win. One good setup, all that we need. Not 50 trades fueled by greed. Price already shown where it wants to go. Value area high and value area low. Mustang and Butcher running the show. Base hit stack, why do we traders blow? Gold heavy and oil slippery. MNQ dirty, but she good to me. Funded account, living comfortably. Trade like adults and let the profits breathe. Market butcher, Mustang trader. No crystal balls, no magic indicators. Just charts, patience, and discipline. See you at Globex. Yeah. Mustang trader. Sorry about that, guys. So many reasons to be upset, man. Social media ruined a lot of stuff like dating, attention-seeking, job searching. Richest countries to ever exist and the highest depression rates in history. Oh well. Life is definitely not easy, right? It's not easy. Like, for example, the YouTube channel, man. The YouTube channel, the algorithm's taking me out, boys. Algorithm's trying to stop me from turning this into a successful channel. I don't know exactly what happened. But yeah, the views in like all of last week, the views were cut in half. So I went from about 1,000 people coming through the channel in a busy night down to like 450. And I haven't got any new subscribers now for over a week, basically. So they're not directing any new people to the YouTube channel. Anyways, let's get this bread, man. Trading is a big vibe. Yeah, of course. We locking in the greens. So I don't know if you guys noticed, but I did make a new thumbnail and title. Just trying to see if I can't work with the algorithm, how it is. So here's the latest thumbnail. Oh, I just noticed this is kind of weird though. Hey, this it gave me some weird markings on my face there. It's kind of turned it into cartoonish. There's like weird, like it looks like I'm all cracked and dry. I'll have to play with that some more. Globex open, volume thin, still enough for disciplined traders to win. One good setup, all that we need. Now 50 trades fueled by greed. Price already shown where it wants to go. Because Trump wants the government, because runs the government, he does whatever he wants. If you just trust the government over common sense right now. Yeah, you guys agree to disagree. I know, right? It's so weird. I was just looking at that. I'm like, what is going on here? It like stretched my forehead a bit too. It's not that big, is it? No magic indicators, just charts. maybe. See you at Globex. That's, I think, the best route for people who are on opposite political sides. You just agree to disagree, right? Another lesson. Another chart. You mean your 5 head? Is it like 5? It's like a 5? 5 head? It's this big brain, you know. Yeah, the AI picture did make it look a little bit longer, didn't it? It's kind of like stretched it out a little bit. So I should take it. I'm gonna take that image, that thumbnail, and then I'm just gonna try to get it to add more of a realistic picture to it. I have some realistic pictures, so. From far away, it doesn't look so weird, but then when I zoomed in on it, it was like you could totally see the like weird cracks and a big forehead and stuff on the image. But AI gave that thumbnail a 9.5 out of 10 for quality. Geez, that coffee, guys. One more sec here. Trend line. FVG. VWAP. Back to VWAP. Back to me. Frank the Great Tyrant sleeps by my side like he knows another trade just died. Ralph the Frenchie starts to snow. So we got about 7 minutes till the opening, or till the hourly candle. Let's hang out here for a little bit longer, see how that plays out, and then I'll probably end up ending the stream after that. I do have some stuff to take care of on the day. So I've only got 3 weeks left in my current role before I switch teams, and it's kind of hard finding the motivation to go above and beyond now. Well, you know, just do your best, you know. I know it's hard to find the motivation, but you took on the job, right? So you should really just give it your best, and that's kind of it's a character building thing, right? So you can, you know, it's like you build your character. What's more important than hanging out with you guys? Not a whole lot, but I do like, I just got some work to take care of that are not on the charts. And then I might have to take my dad to the doctor. So that's kind of why I need to get off and get some stuff done. Like still got to go deal with feeding the chickens and making sure that they have water. And then I got some real estate stuff I got to work on, you know, just a bunch of stuff to get out of the way. But I totally agree. I would love to just hang out all day. One day we should do like I want to try to do like a all day stream, you know, from market open all the way until market close. But I guess that would be like 6 p.m. the day before all the way till 3 p.m. the next day, or that's my time anyways. No, yeah, Eastern Standard Time. So yes, I have a garden. That's another thing. I need to check the garden. I might need to water it. We did have rain a couple days ago, so I didn't have to water it yesterday, but I should probably check it today. So I got a pretty nice little garden over there. I got tomatoes and cucumbers and potatoes, peas, kale, lettuce, cabbage, a couple types of cabbage. It's been popping off pretty good.
Another lesson. Another chart. Another night.
No corn, no. I didn't do any corn this year.
I walk a lonely trail tonight. The only ways to go and break through broken trend lines left behind. Searching for the next setup I'll find. The VWAP faded far away. The value there is where I'll stay. The market whispers, then it lies. Another fake out in disguise. And I know the candle doesn't care about my hopes or my prayers. I'm walking down the boulevard of broken trend lines, where every trader leaves a piece of their mind.
In my opinion, I think you need to stream more during the day to get viewers. You may gain some from the other streams as they leave those during the day. That would be great. Would get you more exposure. Well, just from my experience, there's just too many very popular streams throughout the New York session, and it's, you know, I don't know if you noticed, but like usually we only have maybe 10 viewers at the most during Monday to Friday mornings, but at night is when I tend to get the majority of the new subscribers and new viewers, because there's not a whole lot of streamers. Although recently Patrick Whelan's channel is starting to stream at night, so I'm wondering if that might have a little bit to do with why I've been having less viewers in the evening session, but I don't know. Yeah, I know he didn't start with 4,000 viewers for sure. I sometimes go back and forth between it. So just depends. Sometimes it'll be a little bit clearer on one or the other. I think I was on NQ earlier, and then I went to MNQ after, just because I was confirming. So usually if you try to confirm that they have orders at the same level, so we got 94 at 350 here, and then on the MNQ there's 181 at 387. So they are slightly different, but I just kind of like the way that the MNQ sort of like the chart shows. But it's like, yeah, I kind of flip between back and forth. And I think a lot of people say I should probably be watching NQ all the time, just because it's the big boys, but hard to say. Of course, yes, Antoine, I love the book map. Gives you, a lot of data that you normally wouldn't know onto whether or not there's big orders. We might get a pullback at certain level, or where the target is for the liquidity. So Patrick has one of his employees streaming in the evening now. Night has limited options. You own the night. Yeah, I know the nights have been pretty good, but I don't know whatever's been happening, Clee, though. Like, I literally have the viewers have been cut in half. So like I'll show you here real quick what my analytics looks like, and you might understand it a little bit better. But so here's the analytics for the channel, right? So I was getting like 1650 views on the day, 1393, 1189, 1500, 1700, 1250, 1500, and then 2198, and then all of a sudden look at this, 432, 489, 491. So it's like, whatever happened there after that last that Sunday there, it's really messed up the the algorithm. So this was the following last Sunday, 491. It's like really cut in half. So whatever happened after this Sunday here, like July 12th, it's just like it just died after that. Yeah, see, exactly. I've stopped appearing in the feed as much, and this is the thing, is like I've been also stuck at 1770 subscribers now since around this time. I hit 1770, and then I've basically got no new subscribers throughout this time. So these are only people that are subscribed that are coming to the channel. That's why we're only getting about 500 coming in. Yeah, I appreciate it. Hit the like button, and if you are subscribed, definitely turn on that bell notification. Maybe that'll help show it up a little bit better. But I'm not really sure what happened there. The algorithm might have changed a bit. So what I did is I changed my thumbnail, and I changed my title to be a little bit more clear as to what the channel's about. And I'm hoping that that's going to help a little bit, but I don't really know. Maybe boost the channel a little. What do you mean, like pay for some boost? You definitely qualify for being interviewed at some channel. That could boost it too. Yeah. Might be the AI music, to be honest. YouTube is de-ranking anything with AI. They even have AI warnings on videos now. Okay. Yeah, paid search. Spark J, like rake trades? Is that what he does? Right on stream? Smooth synthwave. I mean, I could just go back to, I was originally, I could test that out for a bit and just stick with the YouTube free music for a while, I could just switch through those YouTube free music for a couple days and see if that helps. You also stream Asia, which have really good ROI with the boosts because of the time zone. Could. Gotcha. You should try going solo during the daytime, in my opinion. You have the personality that people will like. Yeah, that could be something. So just doing a quick little traffic source insights. Over the past 28 days, viewers primarily discovered Market Butcher through 3 main areas. Here's a breakdown. Browse feature, 10,000 views, Shorts feeds, 2,000 views, and YouTube search, 1,600 views. Browse feature, this is your strongest source, meaning your videos are appearing on people's home screen and subscription feeds. This often suggests your titles and thumbnails are resonating well with both your regulars and people with similar interests. Overall, having just clip trades and put it in shorts and boost those shorts. Since we're brainstorming, what about rebranding to a Speedo trader? Looking at the data from Market Butcher, there has indeed been a noticeable shift in views recently compared to the last 7 days to the prior week. Your total views decreased by 62%, guys. Here's a breakdown of what the data shows. Shifts in discovery. While your overall traffic patterns remain similar, the volume of your top source has changed. Browse feature, this remains your primary source, 57% of views, but the volume dropped significantly since the source relies on your videos appearing on the home screen. A drop here often suggests that the current topics or thumbnails aren't sparking as much immediate interest compared to your previous week's content. Short feed. Interestingly, views from the short feed became larger percentage of your total traffic this week, increasing from 8 to 12%, even though the raw number of views is lower. That suggests your shorts are still reaching people, but perhaps at a slower pace than before. Look at the daily breakdown. Your chart has been very distinct peak days. For example, on July 12th, you had near 2,200 viewers in a single day. That was likely driven by a specific successful upload or live stream. When you have a day that performs significantly above your average, the following days can feel like a drop when they're actually just returning to your channel's typical levels. Click-through rate. Your average CTR actually increased this week, 9% to 7% from 7% last week. That's a positive sign. That means that when people do see your thumbnails, they're more likely to click. However, your impressions, how often your thumbnails are shown, dropped from 51,950 to 14,602. Why the drop in impressions? Since your click-through rate is healthy, the decrease in impressions suggests a few possibilities. Topic interest. The specific futures trading setup or topics covered this week might have slightly narrowed appeal than those in the previous week. Viewer behavior. External factors like seasonality, mid-July changes in how much your specific audience is spending on the platform can lead to fewer people being online to see your content. Content frequency and format. If your most successful day last week was specific type of live stream or giveaway, like Lucid giveaway mentioned in your recent titles, viewers may be waiting for that specific event style content again. Analyze the peak content. Look closely at the videos for the streams on July 12th. What was the specific topic or thumbnail style? Replicating elements of that higher performance can help regain momentum. Leverage the higher CTR. Since your current thumbnails are converting well, 9.1%, the quality is there. To increase impressions again, try tapping into broader trading topics or common questions your audience search. Stay consistent. It's normal for viewers to fluctuate. Focus on the fact that your audience is still highly engaged when they find you, as evidenced by your strong watch time and click-through rates. I'd start thinking of things like my background. I notice a lot of popular streamers in a room have with ambient lighting. You're in a light room. Then I'd start thinking perhaps my music was too loud. That should have you appear more in searches. What's that? Copy tags that other channels use, like trading future, forex futures, etc. Honestly, if you do a 5-minute video and a short on the orb or whatever strategy you like or workout, boost that. You're gold. My dad says should not talk politics. Can't avoid politics when you trade, though. What did Nick say? Nick doesn't have any insight on the YouTube stuff. You can avoid politics when you co-streamer is going on a rant about president and not the correlating financial markets. Teflon, that will drive viewers away. Do you hear Patrick talking about Trump? Do you hear D-Money talking about him? No. Hard to not speak about Trump, bro, is scheduled to be on the new 10 a.m. every day. Yeah, well, we can just say, well, Trump's on the news, but like not go into politics on regarding him or Canadian politics either, I guess. You'd watch just for the book map, so that's a great tag. Yeah. Ninja Trader Tradeify proper match all talk politics since it has a lot to do with trading. Everyone understands that the market is being manipulated, so they have to talk about it. Yeah, it's pretty hard to avoid politics when the politics drive the market, right? But hey guys, let's wrap it up here. It's been a good stream. Trump is likely giving us the manual. We just have to understand it. It'd be negligent to ignore. Yeah, of course. But yeah, I should wrap it up here, guys. I do got to get on with the day. But thanks for all your support and brainstorming with me here, trying to figure out what's going on with the algorithm. I think I do need to sort of switch up the short videos I'm making, and also some of the evergreen videos I want to put out. So I was going to make a, speaking of that, I do have a video that I'm planning to release. I just haven't recorded it yet, but I have the whole idea set up, the title and thumbnail. So it's just a matter of getting around to recording it and editing it. So that'll be on the agenda in the not too distant future. But yeah, maybe I need to start getting some other content out there. Yeah, fair enough, Clee. I hear what you're saying. You can shoot me a message. I work in the marketing. I can give you some ideas. Okay, thanks. Are you in the Discord there, Antonio? Sorry. Yeah, let me know if you're in the Discord there. It'd be a little bit easier to reach out to you anyways. But yeah, thanks for that. Oh, there you go. Tony OG. There we go. I just sent you a. As an influencer, you can steer the conversation to or from certain discussions. Yeah, that's for sure. Thanks, Antonio. Maybe we can circle around a reminder in the chat to limit politics in the chat conversation. Yeah, it's probably a good idea. Sweet. Okay, thanks, guys. Appreciate you guys. Thanks for hanging out. And obviously, the support. Have a great day. Jerry Trades, Angia, the Hawk Flies, Big Teflon, my dad, Antonio, Skeletor, the Elevated Life, FN Trades, Tim Core, Clee Torres, Blackout News Network, and Wrong Trade Jim. So hopefully, I'm pretty sure you guys are mostly green on the day, so that's good. We'll be live again tomorrow morning, 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and we'll see you there. So, Force Fed, I joined late. Sounds like I missed some heat. No heat tonight. We've been just trying to brainstorm as to why my viewership has been basically cut in half over the last week. So just kind of wondering what's going on. So we're just brainstorming on some ideas on how to get back to where I was on how many people were getting shown my thumbnails and basically like suggested to join the stream. So yeah. But yeah, thanks a lot, everybody. Appreciate you guys, and we'll see you tomorrow morning, 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Have a great night, guys. Peace out. Love you guys. Love you guys. Bye-bye.